Have you ever noticed one person is more bitten by mosquito than the other? Have you thought what factor within us is responsible for attracting more and more mosquitoes? So friends, today we will discuss some interesting facts about mosquitoes and will try to understand how to save ourselves from them. See, only female mosquitoes sucks blood, and that too not for food. She sucks the blood because she requires protein to produce more and more eggs. She can get this protein from birds, animals, and other living creatures, but due to our increased population and due to the garbage and pollution around us, we have become the first choice for them. Do you know how they recognize us? Actually, they recognize us by the carbon dioxide released from our mouth, the smell of sweat, body temperature, and other waste such as uric acid, ammonia, etc. We may see that these substances are taken out of body by various functions like respiration, feces, urine, etc. Therefore, if the waste means CO2, ammonia, uric acid, etc. are increased in our body, we are more and more seen and targeted by the mosquitoes. In this materialistic world, where everyone wants to get ahead of other, where we do not sleep or don't have time to sleep, where the balance of body means taking food and releasing waste has got disturbed. In this scenario, the tense, indifferent, angry, gasping, sweating, shivering people have a sharp increase, and I think you now understand that I want to say this is why we are attracting more and more mosquitoes. In the process of development, we have disturbed the balance of nature and increased the pollution. We are using polluted air, water, and food, due to which health of ours and kids has become weak. This is the truth that we have generated all pollution, and a small creature who grew from the pollution has become dangerous to our life. So, friend, if not the mosquito, then something else will come and become a threat to our life. It is a point to note that we'll have to keep simplicity, purity, and cleanliness to our inside and outside world so that our coming generation can be long living. At last, I wish to say that the female mosquito does not kill us, but she is searching for a new life for its species, and we are sacrificing our life for our own bad deeds. So, friend, keep yourself clean, keep your outside world clean, and stay healthy. Thanks.